Have you ever caught yourself thinking negative thoughts about yourself or your abilities? We all have moments of self-doubt, but when negative thoughts become a regular occurrence, they can hold us back and prevent us from reaching our full potential. That's where positive affirmations come in. Positive affirmations are positive statements or phrases that are intended to be repeated to oneself in order to promote self-confidence and a positive outlook. These affirmations can be about any aspect of your life, from your self-worth to your career goals. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Now back to it. The goal of positive affirmations is to reframe negative thoughts and beliefs into positive ones. For example, if you are feeling down about your job performance, you might say to yourself, "I am capable and competent at my job." This affirmation helps to reframe the negative thought, "I am not good at my job," into a positive one, which can help boost your self-confidence and motivation. Positive affirmations can be a powerful tool for improving your mental health and well-being. Here's why. Positive affirmations help to change negative thought patterns. Our thoughts have a powerful impact on our feelings and behaviors. When we think negative thoughts, we are more likely to feel down or unmotivated. By repeating positive affirmations, you can train your brain to focus on the positive rather than the negative. This can help to break the cycle of negative thinking and improve your overall outlook on life. Positive affirmations can boost self-confidence. When we believe in ourselves and our abilities, we are more likely to feel confident and capable. Positive affirmations can help to build this self-belief by highlighting our strengths and positive qualities. Positive affirmations can increase motivation. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you are more likely to be motivated to take action and achieve your goals. Positive affirmations can help to increase this motivation by reminding us of our potential and the things we are capable of achieving. So, how can you start using positive affirmations in your life? Here are a few tips. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. The affirmations you use should be specific to your own goals and desires. Choose affirmations that feel authentic and meaningful to you, rather than just repeating something you heard someone else say. Repeat your affirmations daily. To really make an impact, it's important to repeat your affirmations on a regular basis. You can repeat them to yourself in the morning, before bed, or throughout the day whenever you need a boost. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more they will become a part of your thought patterns and beliefs. Write your affirmations down. Seeing your affirmations written down can help to reinforce them and make them feel more real. You can write them on a piece of paper, a whiteboard, or even create a vision board with your affirmations on it. Seeing your affirmations in writing can help to make them feel more concrete and remind you of them throughout the day. Believe in your affirmations. The most important step is to truly believe in your affirmations. They won't work if you don't genuinely believe in them. So, take the time to really internalize your affirmations and let them sink in. In conclusion, positive affirmations can be a powerful tool for self-improvement and a helpful way to shift your focus from negative to positive thoughts. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and that you learned something new today. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. See you next time.